Hey, Charlotte Reed here. We just unloaded these 25 cows and calves, so they're called pairs, off the truck. We just branded them today, and because they're the late ones, not like the late bloomers, the late calvers. They've even got a bull friend in here with them. Isn't that exciting? Oh, look at him. He's going to go sniff at the other cow herd coming up. That's rude. You stay with these guys. These are your girlfriends, not those, you dork. We're about to turn him out the gate. We had to wait for a few minutes. No, stay here for a minute with me. He had to run. He had to run and open the gate. So we're going to turn him out here in a minute. We had to wait for him to get paired up. That means for the mamas to find their babies and the babies to find their